Lightening Representation. Conscious Creator's lightning on your plane of existence that occurs on your planet represents the electrical truth of creation. It represents the energetic force that moves through all living beings, all living conscious entities, from your plants to your trees to your insects, your animals, to the biomechanical organism that is the body of the being who is human. At its core, it is electrical. At its core, it is energetic. The communication lines are electrical. The mechanism that causes the muscles to move is electrical. You have to understand this and begin to connect at your core to these ideas.